Dear students, welcome to my class. So in my last video I have discussed a new chapter, past continuous tense. So today I shall continue the remaining portions of this chapter. So go to page number 44. In my last video I have discussed the uses of was and were, and the pattern of past continuous is was, were plus ing form. So I have told you the uses of was and were, which is there in this chart. Page number 43 will get, which I discussed in my last video. So today I shall discuss the rest of the portions of this chapter. So see here, B, what were they doing? Look at the pictures and read the word clues. Write the answers using was or were. So there are 8 pictures and the names are given and their activities are also given. Some hints are given, so you have to make a sentence using was or were. So let's start with number 1. See here, there is a boy whose name is Raju and a girl whose name is Preeti. Preeti and Raju, play. So let's make a sentence with this. As the name of the chapter is past continuous tense, so you have to use the pattern was or were depending on the subject and add ing to the verb. As play is there, you have to make it ing, and we will use was and were depending on the subject. So the first question is, what were Preeti and Raju doing yesterday? So the answer will be Preeti and Raju were playing, because there are two people and the subject is plural, then the verb will be were playing yesterday. Let's go to the next picture. Priya at 10 am drink milkshake. Only one girl, so the verb will be was. So the sentence will be like this. The question is, what was Priya doing this morning at 10 am? So the answer is, Priya was drinking milkshake at 10 am this morning. Was is used because Priya is singular, the subject is singular. Number 3 question. First let's read the hints. Number 3, mother and I shop. It's mother and you shop, means you did some shopping. So the sentence will be, the question is, what were mother and I doing last week? The answer is, we were shopping last week. See, I is there, you are included, the speaker is included, and mother. So there are two people, and as you were included, so the pronoun becomes we. We were shopping last week. Next is a girl whose name is Shimi. She is dancing. See, look at her pose. It seems like she is dancing. So the question is, what was Shimi doing last night? So the answer will be, she was dancing last night. Shimi is a girl, so the pronoun used is she, and was, because singular subject, she was dance. If I add ing, you have to remove e and add ing, it becomes dancing last night. Next is number 5, weather rain. So weather rain, the question is, how was the weather last week? So the answer was, as in the picture we have seen that it was raining, so the answer will be, it was raining last week. Next question is, cows graze. Cows are grazing, means they are eating grass. And the 7th one is, Spotty sleep on couch. This is a dog whose name is Spotty. He is sleeping on a couch. Couch is a place to sit in. So, and the last picture is, my brother mop. Mop means cleaning. This is known as mopping. If you clean the floor, the name of the action word is mop. So he is mopping the floor. So let's read the What are the questions related to these pictures? So the question is, first question is, what were the cows doing an hour back? Means 1 hour back, what were the cows doing? So the cows is plural, so the plural pronoun will be they. They were grazing an hour back. You have seen in the picture that they are eating grass. So the eating is known as grazing. They were grazing an hour back. Where? Because the subject is plural. Next question is, what was Spotty doing last night? We have seen in the picture that Spotty was sleeping. So the answer will be Spotty was sleeping on the couch last night. Spotty was sleeping on the couch last night. The next one is, what was your brother doing on Sunday morning? The answer will be, my brother was mopping the floor on Sunday morning. Mopping means cleaning. So number C, let's go to number C. Answer the questions using was or were plus ing form of the verb. First, let's look at the picture. There are two children, a boy and a girl, and their parents. So here one of them is referred to as you, means the one who will read. The speaker is there. If you are a girl, then you will be this one, and a boy, if there is a boy, then he will be the speaker. And there is a picture of a Jew, and you can see that the father is driving the car. So depending on the picture, we are going to answer the questions. Number 1, where were you going yesterday? It is asked about you. If you were a girl, suppose you were a girl, then the answer, in the first question, the answer will be that I was going to the zoo yesterday. Yesterday you went to the zoo. Depending on the picture, we can understand that the person went to the zoo. Means here you is referred to as the one who is speaking. So our answer will be, I was going to the zoo yesterday. Next question is, why were you going to the zoo? So the answer is, I was going to the zoo to see different kinds of animals. Because in the zoo, various kinds of animals are kept. So the answer will be that I was going to the zoo to see different kinds of animals. The next question is, who were you going with? If you were a girl, then you will think that as if this one is you. Then the answer will be, you went with your father, mother and a brother. And if you are a boy, then you think that this one is you. And the answer will be mother, father and sister. So I wrote like this, I was going with my parents and brother. Here I refer to this one. Suppose you were a boy, then you can write, I was going with my parents and sister. Next question is, who was driving the car? The answer is, see here you can see in the picture the father is driving. So the answer will be, my father was driving the car. So this was the last end portion of this chapter. Page number 45. This is the last page of this chapter. So in my next video I shall discuss another new chapter. So let's end the class here for today. Thank you.